Background generate can now be used to generate toolpath for any operation. Background generation is useful for operations or programs that require significant processing time, allowing an uninterrupted workflow while the toolpath generates. Generate in background disables parallel generate, which no longer appears in the drop-down menu. Background generate is available for objects in the program order view and the geometry view. You can background generate one or more operations at the same time. The hourglass means the toolpath is currently being generated, and the clock means the operation is queued. Operations that are currently being generated or queued cannot be edited or deleted. Background generation can be stopped by right-clicking the operation or operations that are being generated or queued and clicking Stop Background Generate. Operations that have been processed may be treated as any operation normally would. Some caveats currently apply to this feature.